Mommy said, "What happened in here? It looks like a hurricane came through. You boys need to clean up this mess." Mommy, it wasn't just me. I don't know where Oliver went, but it wasn't just me. He needs to help too. But Mommy, that's not fair. I can't do all this by myself. It took two of us to make the mess. Shh! If he can't see me, then I'm not here. It's not fair. Then, you know what Mom said? Mommy said, "All right, Chappie, I will help you since Oliver is not here. You pick up one thing, and I will pick up one thing. Then you pick up one thing, and I will pick up one thing. And soon we'll have all the toys back in the box. Okay?" I was trying to help. I really was, Mommy. I was trying to help, but they looked so fun in the basket that I just wanted to play with them. I only took out one or two. I'm sorry, Chappie. There, Mommy, we did it. We worked together. We got it all done. Ollie stopped taking them out of the box, and now the room is clean. Ta-da! Mommy, come look. We worked together. It was like shake and bake, and I helped. And it was fun. I like working together to get things done. Come on, Chappie. Let's stomp it out.